There's no question that, and I've had that. I've had that with my registry clients where, they're told that policy benefits maxed out, and actually in the very beginning of all of this, they were when the registries weren't getting paid or the agencies weren't getting paid by the insurers, of course they were looking to their clients to pay. And when they were told that policy benefits expired, they would just stop care, and then they'd pretty much lose their client. Their client would drift away. For two reasons. One, if you start to pursue claims against your own client, they're no longer your client. You're now adversaries. And number two, if you're telling your client that there are no more benefits, and if you want care, you're going to have to pay for it out of pocket, well, you're going to lose people because they're not going to be able to afford it. But the worst is the adversarial relationship. You don't ever want to have an adversarial relationship with your client. You want to be partners with your client. So when I started looking at these policies, the first thing I told the registries and agencies is, if you have an assignment, if you've taken an assignment of benefits from your client and a controversy arises about a short pay or there's some problem with payment, the registry or agency with that assignment can sue the insurance company themselves under the assignment. And they have exactly the same rights that the insured person has. So that if under the assignment they're successful against the insurer in getting payment, they can get their fees paid for under that Florida statute that says an insured person gets their fees reimbursed if they have to sue for benefits. So that immediately shifted the model, the paradigm, from an adversarial relationship between the provider of care and their client to a partnership relationship where the provider is now trying to get paid so that the insured person isn't responsible to pay. So that was something that was automatically, they saw that immediately. We don't want to sue our clients. We don't want to go after our clients. We want to be partners in it. The second thing that I saw through all of that was that everyone was taking for granted that when the insurance company said policy benefits maxed out, that they indeed maxed out. When I got into the policies and started looking at them, I realized that the insurers were incorrect for a variety of reasons. So we were able to get the policy to continue to perform the way it should be. We were able to avoid developing an adversarial relationship between the registry and their client. And we were able to keep the policy working for the benefit of both.